Hola mis amores, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another unboxing. This is with, as all of you guys know, Curlkit, and this is a subscription that you guys can go ahead and use every month for full-size product and sample products for curly hair. And I've recently started partnering up with them and I have been using them, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like, this is amazing. I always rant about them, but if you guys do want a discount code for your first box, I have a discount code in the description box. If you guys want to go ahead and use it, it's 10% off on your first order. So I suggest this so y'all can save that money. Alright, so first things first is that this month, the month of April, they sent a lot of product. Like, it was like $70 worth of products from what I saw. And I'm just so hyped up because it's only $20 a month and this is well worth it. In the month of March, they sent me like a little preview, the Reshaping Shine Butter. So you basically use this like on your second day or third day, and you just restyle your hair. And I really, after I tried this, I was like, okay, if this is a sneak peek for the month of April, it's like lit. It's super lit. So it smells awesome. I love it. It's so compact. You can take this anywhere, any trips, and you know it's not liquid, so you can take it as on a carry-on bag when I go places with Kai or I'm traveling. So I really appreciate this. I don't have to carry like a whole bottle of leave-in conditioner. Check it. Okay. For every subscription box, they sent you like a little magazine, and I love these because they give you like a whole bunch of tips on curly hair and stuff like that, especially if you're like in your curly hair journey. These magazines I think would be so helpful to help you with like several tips for curly hair, and it just shows you like the product they sent you and like how to use it and explaining and things like that. So I think it was pretty bomb. I have never used red palm oil, so this is a really good brand. I'm excited. Alright, so the first thing I see here is the red palm oil cocoa butter detangling shampoo. I am in need of like a new shampoo, so this is super clutch that they even like provided literally the whole line. So the shampoo and like, let me see, let me take the thing off of this. Okay, it smells so good. I love it. Then they also sent the leave-in and rinse out conditioner, and I'm a little skeptical about these because I have used other brands where it's like you can either leave it in your hair or you can wash it out, and sometimes it doesn't do too well with my hair. But I'm willing to use this conditioner to see what's up. If it's worth it, I will let y'all know. They also sent a curl stretch put-in, so let me see. Damn, okay. Bro, it smells so good. I love it. I'm hyped. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm super hyped. So Shea Moisture, it looks like this is like a stretch put-in to stretch your curls out. So if you have like really coily hair, maybe this will help stretch your curls out. But sometimes some brands, they do this and it kind of like weighs your hair down more than anything. So it's either like super oily and like it looks kind of funky, or lightweight. So I'm excited to see this. I'm excited to see what's up. They sent here also a red palm oil cocoa butter styling jelly, and it, let me see, let me take the cap off. All right, I have to take the lid off the thing. All right, so this is how it looks like. It's like super watery. I would almost say this is like a leave-in, because usually leave-ins are super watery. I don't know how I feel about this product being in this container though. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it's like a mess to be made because I'm super clumsy and life happens. So I'd rather have like liquidy things in bottles. So we'll see what's up. I'm gonna give it a chance. And it says it smooths flyaways, eliminates frizz, and controls edges. So I'll give it a chance for sure, because especially with summer and spring coming up, I don't mind frizz though. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I think a true curly person would be like, I don't mind frizz. I don't mind frizz. It's something sometimes you just gotta, you know, fall in love with. And I love having frizz in my hair, but I'll give this a try. So basically that's it, guys. They also sent me like a Shea Moisture Define. It says here it's like, they also sent me this right here. it just like explains, you know, what ways to use it as well, and it just gives you like, you know, Shea Moisture ad. I guess this is like a Shea Moisture ad. It's in Walmart, so if y'all want to go ahead and copy some of it, you know, some of this, you know, some, it's definitely at Walmart, and I would be sure they also have it like at Target or something. Yeah guys, that is it for the month of April. Y'all, I don't know what's going on with this Curlkit. You guys are just doing the most, and I'm just adoring it. Literally, it's worth the money, and I just want to put all of you guys on simply because, like I said, yo, curly hair products aren't cheap. They are not cheap. So if you want to spend $20 a month to get like samples and hookups and full bottles, you already know I had to put you guys on. Just don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I love y'all.